snack for tendon. The light, less gluten flour, the flour, wheat flour that has less gluten, so you get crispy tempura. Drop the batter in and just touch the bottom and just quickly rise. It's about 160 degrees. So that's when I want to cook the veggies. In this broth, I am putting in a piece of chicken left over from tori-seiro. Chicken, soba with chicken in broth. One little piece extra, just might as well cook one. Just drizzle slightly in. Oh, a little too much. Don't mind. Here I'm reheating the tendon no tare. Lunch. Seconds cooking time. 50. 5 rolls. Combination of soba and tendon tempura with rice. はい、できましたよ。ありがとう。おい。いや、僕寝てたよ。もうこの時間。2時半。まあこんなもんだね。週末は。いただきます。それではレイチェルを入れます。We call exo jam from a friend, Rachel. She and her husband Stephen live in Hong Kong, and their friend is a retired master chef. The Chinese master made this. Rachel and Stephen
have been sending me lots of this. So I put in everything. In soba dipping sauce. Spice up the soba dipping sauce. Spice up the soba dipping sauce. Yeah, it's hot. Lots of chilies. Oh. Spicy, we love it. Mom loves it too. Mineな。辛いな。
白菜きれいじ
うまいな。息するやろ、そば。ちょっといいですか。Just put a little green bread. Not too much in it.
唐辛子いっぱいあるんだよ。
そばやな、これ。ちょっとある？美味しいよ。I think it says handmade there. 手作り。こういう辛いの食べると頭から噴煙が出てる感覚。本当にはい。前も頭が取り上げる。Next for tendon. Menu. Tendon. Prawn and veggies, tempura, on rice. So with noodles, that's the combination. One of the most popular dish. This one is tori-seiro, chicken thigh fillet with browned green onions, negi, in boiling hot broth. And this is cold soba noodles. Water temperature cold soba though. So that's what I had.
天丼の予想ないかな。
All good.